Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 22nd of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. The euro is the next chart I'm going to look at, and the dollar took a bit of a pounding yesterday, and big sharp gains on the euro, about 100 pips to the upside. Very strong move. I don't think it's actually done a great deal though, and I think just generally speaking, I think it will ultimately be another chance to sell. But the big move I think comes with the fact that we've bounced off this key support at 108.18. That's still intact, and that is a bit of an issue for the bears, who are fairly well in control of this chart. But still, the fact that that support has held intact gives us a little bit of a problem potentially. But I still think that these momentum indicators are just unwinding some of this move. The fact that we're still below, or whilst you see the euro trading underneath the 110.50 pivot level, I still think gives this chart a negative bias that will put pressure on that 108.18 level. The slight uptick that we've seen in the stochastics I don't think is anything too significant yet, and I think until we see a move above these sort of reaction highs of through July on the stochastics, I'm not getting too worked up about it. Also the RSI, which continues to sort of fall away in the mid 50s, it's in sort of mid 40s at the moment, so there is potential for a little bit further of a rally, but still I think this ultimately will prove to be a chance to sell. Now this is the hourly chart, and you can see here that in fact the resistance has just rallied back towards the old pivot level, which actually encapsulated several lows actually in this chart pretty much in recent weeks, and that rally back to resistance is now sort of consolidating. It's not really going too much further, and it looks like it could well be sort of rolling over, or certainly on the momentum indicators anyway. But I would be using this as a chance to sell. You could, as I said on the daily chart, you could see that move back towards 105.50, which is a pivot level, but I'd be surprised if it gets that far. Again, there's a little bit of further resistance around one figure. So 1.10 or 110 figure, but I'm still playing this as a bit of as a near-term sort of blip, with the fact that rallies continue to be sold into on this euro chart, and I don't really think it's going to go too far before we get further selling pressure coming through. There was nothing that really changed yesterday, and it just seemed as though it's perhaps a bit of an exhaustion move, but I still think that there's going to be further pressure on that 108.18 level, and further downside in due course. So that's my outlook on euro dollar, and I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.